Welcome back, everyone. Today I'd be showing you how to make a simple yet good-looking thumbnail using the Photoshop of Legends, Photopea on the topic of digital addiction. Let's dig in. First, we need a background image. I have downloaded these all images for free on Google. Adjust the image. I have added this downfall sign on the right side. Now let's add our main subject, who is using mobile in a stressful way. We need to remove the background. The auto select feature is now paid, so we need to do the hard work by own. Click on the Object Select tool from the toolbox and start selecting the subject by pressing Shift. It may not look proper, so now let's refine the edges. Click the black color icon and start removing the extra parts until we look good. Add an adjustment layer of gradient map above the subject. Select a dark color. Turn the clip mask on. A low battery icon, which we will add on the head of the subject, showing the effect of addiction. Add a layer behind the battery and we'll just put some colors on it. Like this. Adding a fire effect on the bottom. If you want these graphics, I can give you for free. Just comment down to let me know. Let's keep it behind the subject. Again, let's add a gradient to the fire in a dim light. Now let's show that the subject is chained. Remove the extra parts with eraser. Let's give a dark look to the metal chains with brush. Select low opacity and dark color. Let's give a glow effect to the subject. For that, choose Brush Tool, right-click, and then make the hardness to 0 and choose the first brush type. Create a layer behind the subject and start brushing. Finally, let's add the title text. Select Text tool, drag and start typing like this. Adjust the size. I'll copy-paste for the second text. To transform the text, just press Ctrl and start resizing. Woo! It's ready. You can adjust the layout of the text wherever you want. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more, and also like and comment. See you in the next one.